Hey everybody, if you are looking for a punching target, this video might be for you. So this is a intelligent music boxing target. And it has a whole bunch of different settings. And this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little overview, a little unboxing, a little give it a shot, tell us what you think, but no way whatsoever with this being provided to affect this review because I'm just here to keep it real. So for the athletic enthusiast that is looking to kick it up a notch and have something from a punching bag that's a little bit more entertaining and somewhat competitive, this might just be the device for you. Pretty easy to install. It's kind of lightweight. The back is hard plastic. Most of this is actually hard plastic, and these are kind of cushioned. As you can see there, cushioned, I would say rubberized pads. Now, there's a couple different settings. This is in the non-active setting to where it's not telling you where to punch. But when you put some pressure on it, it will give you sort of an audio notification that you hit it. So one of the ways to mount this is on the back of this double-sided sticky pad. You take the sticky part off, stick it on the back of this. It's cut perfectly to fit. Then you peel the other side off and stick it in place, and it's pretty much not gonna go anywhere. The other option would be if you're wanting something that can come on and off, let's just say a wall. It does come with Velcro, two different styles, the grip side, and you would stick one on the wall and then one on the back of this, and you put it in place. Allows you to kind of have some options as far as taking it off the wall and putting it back in place. This has a built-in battery and it charges via a USB-C connection. You plug it in and you get to charging. When the device is plugged in, there is a red LED light right there, letting you know that it is in charging mode. And the cool part is that if you have this located near an outlet, you can power it on and use it while it's actively being charged. This just happens to be the single player mode. It's going to illuminate the area to hit, and then when you do hit it, it'll give you that notification. It'll turn blue. So the visual and audio notification lets you know if it's red. As soon as it turns red, it'll turn blue, letting you know you got a good strike. And then it will also track how many strikes you have. Pretty cool, especially when you're doing, let's just say, two-player or two users, then you can come and compare stats. So, and this is really has to do with your hand-eye coordination to see how fast you're able to hit the red strike at the same time, giving you that blue notification. You also have an option for connecting this to, let's just say, your mobile device via Bluetooth. Very easy. You just put it in Bluetooth mode, open up your device, hit pairing, and you're instantly connected to where now you can play music from your device through the speakers that are in here. From a sizing standpoint, it's about 16 inches in any direction, and it sits off the wall about 2.5 inches, about 2.25, 2.5 inches this way. A couple other features on here include you can adjust the volume, and then it also has upwards of 9 speed levels as far as the visual indicators. So in this example here, you can see the red lights are flashing much faster versus going down into the starting number 1 slot. You can see that gives you a little bit more time. So you can kind of work up from a competitive standpoint with yourself or with a partner to kind of see who can keep up with it based on the speed level. Very, very cool. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.